Hello everybody, thank you for watching to a new episode of How to DIY to the Wltoys 12.8 Feiyue Eagle Desert Truck project. And we're going to upgrade in this episode to a full metal drive shaft from front to rear. Because in the last episode we have installed this motor upgrade. It is a massive 4-cell motor 360/50 from Racerstar. It's giving us a lot of speed and it's gonna destroy the plastic drive shaft stock gears that are running with the Feiyue Eagle 3 right now. So we bought a complete new set. And for a full metal drivetrain you need these 5 upgrades. They're the 2 front axles, this is the middle axle and this is the rear drive shaft. And for the metal upgrade for the gearbox you get an extra gear from complete hardened metal. This is nice to have of course, but you only need these 2 gears to make a full setup. So you got one spare. And you can of course find all the links down below. Let's stop with talking and start with working. And let's start with the rear drive shaft. And as you can turn it around, then you will be seeing a small grub screw that you have to undo on both sides. So from the differential as at the gearbox side, that is right over there. Now to remove the rear drive shaft you just slide those in and you pull this off. This is how you can remove your rear drive shaft. Now hopefully the rear new metal drive shaft will slide in just as easily. So let's slide it on, super easy. Another one, nice. It's really snug, so you have to right there. Yep. And of course make sure that the hole lines up perfectly so that the screw goes in super smooth. You really have to push it in like a pin, and at the end you got some little screw threads like a small grub screw. Then we're gonna put some blue Loctite of course. Now just screw it in. Hopefully it will hold. That's one. I'm gonna leave the other one undone because we also have to change the gearbox. So let's continue with the middle drive shaft. It's a little bit tricky, but it's possible. There's not a lot of room. Now we're just gonna be putting it back, sliding it in, and sticking it. First we connect the most difficult sides at the front. But I needed 3 hands, so we did it off camera. But finally the screws in. Had some blue Loctite on it. Now we only have to screw down. It was such a... And that was it for the first episode of the full metal drivetrain upgrade that worked for the Wltoys 12.8 and the Feiyue Eagle Desert Truck. I really hope you like this episode and give the thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe of course, and click the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload the next episode where we can do the front axle upgrade, and after that we're gonna episode for the gearbox upgrade. So I hope to see you then, goodbye, and keep on driving.